Is it recording? I think it's recording. Whatever. But yeah, it's currently raining right now. About to go get gas in my Integra. Hopefully it won't be too bad. Hopefully I still grip. But like I said, we'll guess we're about to find out.
A few moments later.
Oh, dude, it's just spinning, bro. Guys, I'm just spinning right now. All right, we're good. We finally got grip. Woo! I actually don't want to kill anyone right now. Well, I don't want to kill myself right now. That'd be bad. And the videos would stop. I gotta keep putting out on YouTube because, you know, I want to be a car YouTuber for fun that like puts out content, like try to put out content every day. And honestly, that is hard. Oh, it's about to get locked. Oh, Vtec just kicked in. Oh my god, dude. Once my RPM gauge works, this thing's gonna be insane. And I get the big intake on it. Oh my god, this thing's gonna actually be nuts. Yeah, honestly, I want to invest in this more than my RX-7. Unless I go single turbo on my RX-7. Because RX-7 is it's just way more expensive, dude. Alright guys, just got in my car. About to go to T-Sane. About to fire this thing up, man. Oh yeah, I'll just follow you. Okay, go. Alright guys, change of plans. We're going to Tasty actually. Because I guess Tasty's open and T-Sane is not. So I prefer to be surrounded by other people that enjoy JDM cars and stuff. You know, muscle cars are cool and all. I know, no disrespect. I personally would just never put an LS in my car. But yeah, that's just me. All right, no one look at my password. All right. Tasty. Oh, what is that noise, bruh? Oh my god. What is that noise? Oh, it went away. We're good. You just have to drive the car really fast, then noises go away. That's a quote from me. If you just go into high boost, all the bad noises will go away. Quote that from me. CG 2021. Just you drive and then the exhaust gets really loud and then you don't have to worry about your problems anymore. It's okay. Yeah, I'm trying to see. I'm shooting my what's it called? My videos in 30 frames. I should be shooting in 24. So I'm sorry, but for this video, it's gonna be all in 20 or 30 frames per second. So once again, I apologize, but I will lower it down for I will lower it for the next video. Yeah, hopefully there's some cool cars at Tasty. Probably be a couple, but you know, we'll see. Cause I always like just talking to like low-key owners and stuff that aren't trying to flex and be the best and stuff. Cause it's always cool like seeing their builds and stuff. You know, me, I just kind of park my car. And if somebody asks about it, I'll tell them, but I don't like sit on my car and be like, yeah, I'm the best person in this parking lot right now. You know, that shit's, I mean, you could do that. I'm not gonna bash you. It's just like, I personally just like, I just know like I build what I like. And like, if somebody else has a whatever, like better build or a more expensive build or like they have a different vision than me, then like that's their shit, you know, like that's what they want to do. I respect it. Just don't come up to me and tell me like how to build my car. I think that's one of my biggest things that pisses me off is like when people say like how I should build my car that I purchased with the money that I earned. You know, so it's like, dude, like why are you telling me how to like build my car? You know, if anyone ever tells you guys, any of my subscribers, how to build their car, just tell them, like, honestly, like, just go to them and be like, yo, like, I don't remember you chipping in for my car, or I don't remember you sending a lease or like whatever to my car, or I don't remember you giving, like, you know, however, I don't know how you guys bought your cars, but, you know, however you purchased your cars, but yo, I don't remember you helping pay for that. So yeah, just tell them, like, screw off, dude. It's like, it's really annoying. It's really, really annoying. Absolutely hate it. I hate it. Leave us alone. Let me build in peace. Let me be Rice. Let me be stanced in peace, bro. Whee! Johnny, slow down, bro. Jesus Christ. This guy really wants to line up. Yeah, Johnny's in a 320. It's boosted. That's a 4-banger. Boosted 4-banger versus a rotary. Unless you're in like it's like a Honda, I'd be scared. I'm always scared of boosted Hondas. Those are the only 4-bangers I fear. Or boosted Hondas. Those are the ones that will always get me. I am terrified of boosted Hondas because I know they weigh nothing and they're built to go fast. So there goes a Prelude, 3rd gen Prelude. Oh. God, my car makes weird noises sometimes, but I just choose to ignore it. Don't do that. That's really bad. All right. Let's see what's going on here with Johnny. About to get walked RS. He about to get walked RS. Watch this. Watch somebody take off on him. Oh, we got walked. Oh, come on, man. It's all right. This is daily. This is 320. Also, my car is like boosted and it's really light, so he also spent a lot less on his 320 than I did on my RX-7. So in terms of like happiness, he's definitely more happy because his wallets are bigger than mine. I may be faster, but I'm more sad and unhappy because I have to spend way more money keeping my car up, you know, and like maintaining it versus him. You know, even, you know, everyone's like, oh, it's a BMW. No, this is a 4-banger. This is the 320, so this is a 4-banger BMW. It's actually like not that bad in terms of reliability. Hold on, this Tesla's about to get walked. We'll see. Out of dig, I think I might lose because I'm stanced, so I don't know how I do. Dude, yeah, it's so bad out of dig. I'm hitting boost cut way too hard. Yeah, guys, I'm not like, this car is not made to go out of dig, dude, because I just hit boost cut in first gear because I don't have boost by gear. So my first gear just like over boost at like 4,000 RPM. And this is what a lot of people don't understand is like, dude, boost by gear is so nice. Just pulled up to the spot. Here at Tasty. Just got my boy John here, the RX-7. Got this Mitsubishi 3000 GT Prelude. Someone's got an A90 Supra. I don't know who it is, but that's a nice, pretty nice Supra. This BRZ is. Shit, yeah. We're just chilling. We're just waiting for our drinks right now, but I got the RGBs going, so that looks pretty good. But yeah, I definitely need to get a new paint job on this. I definitely need to paint the front bumper because it looks like poo-poo right now. I also don't know how this footage is gonna come out because the lighting's hella bad. But yeah, that's a nice Supra. Alright guys, currently on my way home. Just heading on Barrios, so hold on, let me roll up the windows a little bit. Oh no. Bye, John. I'm pretty, oh, I hit 90,000 miles in my car. Dang, that's a landmark. It's pretty good. Yeah, our car's 90,000 miles now. I don't know if I should celebrate or not, but shit, I've driven this thing a lot. I mean, I've driven it since 82,000 miles. I've owned this car for a year and a half now, and I've driven 8,000 miles. Which really actually isn't that much. But in a rotary, that's pretty impressive. So, yeah, shoot. I mean, I've had a lot of memories in this car. Like, seeing it hit 90,000 right now is like, I mean, you know, I know it may not be like, you guys are like, yeah, whatever, it's 90,000 miles, shut up. But like, to hit like a 10,000 mile like mark every 10,000 miles, it's like, it's big. I mean, it's a big thing. Like, seeing 90,000 on there, it's like, it went from 80,000 something to 90,000. So it just kind of makes me like reflect on like how much I put into this car, and like how much effort and time and money I put into this car, and all the like good memories and sometimes bad memories I've had with it. But yeah, this car is honestly, it's a blessing, and I'm really glad I have it. I don't care what anyone else says about it. I don't care if people say like it's a rebuild title or whatever, or like, oh, you ruined it. I really don't. I don't really give a shit, because at the end of the day, it's my car. I love it. You know, they could all kind of F off. I don't care. I'm having fun. It's all about having fun, guys. Like, as long as you have fun while building your cars, that's all that matters. Sheesh. Bro, there's no one in front of you, just go. Jesus Christ. All right. This is a street where I did my big pull on my first video that did really well, my H7. I was like, all right, downshift, guys. I'm gonna redo it right now for you guys. No, it's red. F. That's so awkward. Because last time I just blasted through this, but now it's red. I can't recreate the video. Man, I'm tired. All right. Luckily, I drank some Tasty. Shout out to the Tasty, because I think the cashier, she was getting kind of upset with me because like I couldn't figure out what I wanted. But it's okay, because I figured it out eventually. I got a smoothie. Yeah, Tasty's pretty dope. Oh no. Yeah, it wasn't me, officer. It was the other guy. Please don't turn around. Please don't turn around. Oh God. You know, I sometimes think like what cops think whenever like they see someone in a sports car with like a GoPro hat. They're probably like, Anyways, yeah, that's gonna cut the video, guys. I'm tired as shit. I hope y'all have a good night.
Can you take a 4 or 5 to the pelvis? Plenty money going around, I'm not selfish. And the ladies love me, Elvis. Smoky gas, living fast, wearing velvet.